Human intelligence is when a person naturally understands something.
Not exactly understand. First, it can understand. Yes,
Like,
it can learn also. Like if it doesn't know something, it can learn. Like just like human, we have seen that sometimes we don't know something, so we learn from it. So we can understand, we can learn, and we can solve. If these three things are there, then we call it intelligence. Understand, learn,
yeah.
solve. Okay. So yesterday I've told you what do you mean by artificial intelligence. We know that artificial intelligence refers to the stimulation of human intelligence in machine. Stimulation of human intelligence mean nothing but exactly what how human brain works. The machine also exactly do the same thing. Okay, understood? Any question?
Ma'am, so basically, artificial intelligence also includes algorithms.
Algorithms.
Like, ma'am,
What did
algorithm is like you give her like a set of tasks and then like they do it.
No, no, no. See, there is two different things. Okay, one is coding, like that is included as algorithm. Like we have definite amount of rules, and that we give to the computer, and we get some answer. But artificial intelligence is the advancement of coding or programming. Okay, algorithms are part of artificial intelligence, but not the whole artificial intelligence. Whatever robot, suppose this is a robot, okay, we have to program it, we have to give some algorithm, and then the action will be performed by the robot. The entire process is called artificial intelligence. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Algorithm is just a part of it, part of the programming, not even the entire programming, a part of the programming. And then comes the entire thing, which is the artificial intelligence. Inside artificial intelligence we have so much of subdivisions. We'll talk about this later on. Okay, we'll just go one by one, step by step. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
these are some of the AI tools who you have used, or any one of you have used. Which one can you tell me?
I have used from Google, YouTube, ChatGPT, and Netflix.
Netflix. Riha?
Ma'am, I used Google, YouTube, ChatGPT, Netflix, and yeah, that's it.
Well, which one have you used?
I have used Google, YouTube, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Netflix.
Okay, so what do you do in YouTube?
We can search for videos that people make.
And in Gemini?
We can ask the AIs any questions or any problems.
And what do we do in Netflix, and how can anyone tell me like what exactly AI is involved in Netflix? We can watch movies in television also, right? Earlier we used to watch movies in television, and we also watch movies in YouTube also, I mean in phone also. So why Netflix is one of the AI tool and not television is not an AI tool? Think, can anyone answer me?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me, just tell me.
ma'am, a television is not like an AI exactly, but it's like an electronic device.
I know, but I'm saying that Netflix is where we watch movies, right? Correct? In television also we watch movies. Exactly same thing it's doing. What where we have exactly used the AI? Okay, Shivats, answer me.
Because Netflix has a variety of things to watch, and television has only particular channels to watch.
So in Netflix, we'll have recommendation. Like suppose you are watching one movie, okay? When you go down, you will have 3, 4 more movies. It will say these movies you may like. If you watch one comedy movie, supposingly, then 3, 4 comedy movies recommendation will be there. So how does any without AI, how will the television know? Like now you want to watch this, after that you will watch this. No, right? That provision is not there in television. But in Netflix, we have this recommendation system. In YouTube also it works like same. Suppose when you type in YouTube, you will see, suppose you want to search Alice. Suppose you've written Alice, it will say Alice in Wonderland. It will automatically pop up. So how does exactly computer know what we want to watch or we want to write? So this is where AI comes. In Google, can anyone tell me where we use AI in Google? Yes, Riha?
Ma'am, is like where, like example, ma'am, we search for like ma'am, we search what is 12 table. So then when we write 12, it'll automatically come table because it's a recommendation that is given by the AI.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. So, supposingly, you give Google like, tell me what is the capital of Dubai? Okay. So, what is the capital? You have just by this you write Dubai. You will have lot of recommendations. You want to travel to Dubai, the flight bookings. In fact, what is the capital of it? Which places to go? So, lot of recommendations come. Even when you open the images, you will have lot of pictures, lot of images. And then supposingly you buy some cloth, okay, in Google you have searched summer outfit, okay, then if you go to Mintra or any online shopping, you see the same dress, you keep it in the wish list. Same ads you will keep on seeing, if even if it's in Google, or even if you use a YouTube also, you'll see lots of ads like you want to purchase this, you want to purchase that. So exactly what we want, this all AI handles it. Similarly, can anyone tell me where AI is used in ChatGPT, or why it's totally an AI based tool, ChatGPT? Any idea what is ChatGPT? Yes, Riha again. What happened? Jewel is not answering any questions.
Hmm?
What do you have used Gemini exactly? Where AI? What kind of AI function is been used in Gemini? Can you tell me?
So when we use Gemini and
You don't remember. Whatever comes to your mind, tell me. You don't have to search for it.
hmm,
Okay, Riha, you tell me. ChatGPT or Gemini?
ma'am, it's like a AI bot that like communicates like if we ask how to solve this question, they'll give it stepwise, and then below they'll ask like if you want if you want like this that like related to the same topic.
Exactly. It's like a friend, like how you and me are communicating like a teacher student. Whatever question you'll ask, I'll answer. Similarly, we have that AI tool which is ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok. So these are some of the chatbots where we can chat. Whatever question or prompt we give, we get the answer. Okay. So this makes our life easy. Basically, why we are using AI? Because to make our task easier. Okay. It will save our time and help in our task, regular task. Okay. You do you know about self-driving cars?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whose project is self-driving car? Any
Ma'am,
idea?
Tesla. Tesla.
Good. Who is the founder of Tesla?
Elon Musk.
Very good. So, can anyone tell me, or Shrivats, if you know, what exactly is self-driving car?
It is there are automatic systems that guides car what we have to do.
Exactly. So, what happens is without any human intervention, like it will help us or guide a person to drive a car. Even if the person doesn't know how to drive it, the car will automatically travel, like when to park, how to park, if there is any traffic, so it will slow down, it will fasten up. So in that way, without any human involvement, this AI will help us driving. Okay. So, any idea where medical science in medical healthcare we use AI anywhere?
Ma'am,
Yes, Riha has raised her hand. Okay, Riha, tell me.
Ma'am, like if we have like a problem with our like teeth, like if we have a cavity, then in the dentist there will be like this robot that will like scan our teeth and then it like
Scanning
automatically.
of the teeth is the machine. It's not AI. You have to know there is a difference between machines and AI. Okay. Okay, Shrivats.
ma'am, and like I have seen some posters, ma'am, they are cancer treating AI machines, ma'am. And they do all the work. We have to just set them and they do all the
Yes,
thing.
correct, correct. See, there is a difference between machine and an AI tool. Okay. So a computer also solves problem, isn't it? But that is not AI. Why it is not AI? In AI and programming is a different thing. Okay, when you have given all the input, and the machine will automatically do everything for us without any human help, then we call it AI. If there is involvement in humans, suppose the dentist, you are saying na rehab, so the dentist pull in the machine, it will scan the teeth. That is not an involvement in AI. But supposingly it takes the pictures of the dents or the teeth or cavities, whatever is there, and then it gives to the computer, and computer automatically figures out, okay, where is the dent or where is the cavity, so what exactly, where it is, or if there's a patient has a cancer or not, as Shivat said. Okay, it will scan the MRI machines, when it will do automatically things without any human intervention, then it is called AI. Okay, understood? Any more example in healthcare where we use AI? I think you all have heard about that. You have used it. Your parents might have used it everyday life almost. I think Ria has it now also. I can see
Oh,
some AI
ma'am,
tool
ma'am, watch,
healthcare.
ma'am. It is a watch.
Yes, correct. Smartwatch.
Yes, ma'am.
So how AI is involved in smartwatch? Yes, Riha.
Ma'am, it like counts your steps.
Yes, counts your steps. What else it can do?
Ma'am, it
It
can,
can check your heartbeat.
Yes, correct. Checks your heartbeat.
ma'am, it can check your BP.
Check your, very good, very good, very good. What next?
Uh,
Anything else? More advanced smartwatches, what can do it?
ma'am, they can, ma'am, like, ma'am, I have seen an ad, ma'am. There is a watch, ma'am. When we open it and click that picture, ma'am, it automatically tell that what is it and information about that picture.
Yes. Or else, anything else? Anything else? What more?
It can check the
Yes.
weather.
Yes, you can give the weather forecast. Very good. Anything you guys can think of?
Ma'am, it can call, ma'am. It can call also.
Yes, correct. It can call.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
it
can
can
even
click
send
pictures.
messages.
One of you.
Ma'am, it can click pictures.
Maybe it can. Maybe. Yes. Jewel,
It
you were
can
saying something.
it can check messages.
Huh?
Ma'am, you can also dial numbers.
Yes, exactly like a phone. Like we don't have to use the phone. All the functions that can be done, okay, through your smartwatch. Apart from that, what else? Like suppose I'm giving you an example. Suppose there is a patient who already has high BP, okay, and then he wears the smartwatch, and the smartwatch generally sees that okay, he monitors the smartwatch monitors the BP and the heartbeat, okay. So supposingly one day the BP goes very up, so how the smartwatch will help?
It can check the BP.
Yeah, it has checked the BP and it's high. After that, the new you don't have any idea like what how new smartwatches help. Okay, Shivats, what?
It can send a message uh, or ring a alarm that your BP is very low.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, correct. It will give reminder. So Riha, you what were you saying?
And the same. That it'll alert you that your BP is high or low.
Yes, alert. See, checking the BP or checking the heartbeat is not a big task, but alerting or alarming is more important. Now, in recent watches, what it does is it books the appointment also, doctor's appointment.
Automatically.
Suppose, yes, it gives some options. Book an appointment, give alert. Okay, your BP is high today. It will give alarming. Okay, then it will give some options. It will have chatbot where it will give options that whether to book an appointment or to call this number, call ambulance. It will have options, and the people will click on book appointment. Then again, it will check with the hospitals like these are doctors, these are available at this time, and then it will again check the availability, how many doctors are available. Then if you want to it's like a chatbot, like a chat GPT. It will work, it will assist. I'll show you in your upcoming classes if you how this actually works. We'll get to know how this chatbot works, how it will book an appointment, how exactly how smart watches rates calculates your heartbeat. It is just a watch, but what exactly AI has been involved and how it has been involved, we will get to know. And when you'll grow up, if you go in this field of robotics or as a data scientist or machine learning or AI scientist, when you'll grow up, go and choose this field, you'll actually build those things. You'll build robots. So, do you have any idea one robot went to space from India? Any name?
What, ma'am?
Name of the robot from India which went to
Ma'am,
space?
there was one robot which went to Mars, I think.
No, from India. Recently, in a spaceship?
Uh,
What is the name of the space station, India's space station?
Yeah, space system.
Like NASA is there for America, United States, right? India has also one agencies for
ma'am,
space.
ma'am, wait. ISRO. ISRO.
Yes, correct. So ISRO has sent, you know, the Gaganyaan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes,
Gaganyaan? What exactly happens in Gaganyaan? What was
Uh,
the mission?
ma'am, I think, it will be, it is done, ma'am, or it will,
Gaganyaan means it will carry the human being
yes, ma'am.
first, human being from India to space. Okay,
Yes,
before the Gaganyaan mission, what happens? There, the space has to be clarified. Now, if this it is good for human to go or not, the ISRO has to check, right? If it will say if it will send a human being first, and then if something mishappens with the space, who will take the risk? So ISRO has sent one robot, an AI bot, okay, AI robot, for giving us updates, whether what's the weather, how is the condition, how is the gravity, what is the temperature, everything. Any idea what is the name of that robot?
is it Vayomitra?
Yes, correct. Vyamitra. Okay, Vyamitra is the name of the robot which went to space. Okay, Indian robot. So, you guys, today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT. Okay, first I'll show you in my screen, and then you guys will try. Okay. See, if I'll write, see, it's coming ChatGPT. See, this is the recommendations. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have written just see. The Google knows what I want, ChatGPT. Then Kriyan. After ChatGPT, I might show you Kriyan. Okay. Then these are all Zoom meetings, Cricket Buzz. So it knows that I will go for ChatGPT only. So see, that is how recommendation works. Okay, how AI works.
Ma'am, then you have to click.
Sorry. See, this is the interface. The first page, what we see is called the interface. The whatever we as a human being can
And in
see
Chat
is known as interface.
and in ChatGPT, there are also some recommendations.
Yes,
Like in,
ChatGPT also has recommendation. So these are some of the example. This is where we write our prompt. Prompt means question or queries. Okay, we call it prompt. What do we call? Prompt. Okay, see, there are a lot of options are there. Search with ChatGPT. We can go and do web searching. See, their recommendation: draw a picture of a mini oasis. See, travel pillow that allows actually works. Translate the recipe into Greek. It is giving me recommendation. Can you see this? Here, see, explain paradils for me. See, these are some Portugal thing, Euro Cup, about the Euro Cup. So these are some recommendations which we get. So we can search with ChatGPT. We can use a voice also. So talk with ChatGPT. Then we can search. We have Sora. This is advanced model of ChatGPT. And then there are more options like AI API platform, stories for business. These are not for us. These are for business purposes, or for the scientists or the engineers who will develop. Okay, we will get these things later on. So let's go and see for the search purpose. See, this is where we will ask any question. See, here I also have recommendations. See, so this is my see, here I have previous, this is a new chat, and this is previous chats. Okay, there are a lot of previously I've used AI chat GPT. So for this is my history. So supposingly here I write what is the weather today. See, I'm getting recommendations. Okay, I click it. See, it will search the wave. It will take all the information from the wave and then see 98% Bongaigaon, India. So where I'm currently staying, it's giving my location, that is India, and then this is my place where I am, and then see, this is giving me the entire weather report. Okay. So you guys now share me your screen. We will do a lot of fun activities today in ChatGPT. Okay. You know how to share screen?
Yeah.
Yes. Open. Shrivat's screen I can see. Okay, I'll guide one after one. Okay. Okay, Shrivat, search Google first or directly ChatGPT if you have installed. I mean, yes, first one. Second, correct. Open this. Okay, start now.
Ma'am, I actually had a direct app.
Okay, open in the app. Joel, you also share your screen. You guys share your screen. Okay.
What I have to do?
I'll tell you. Wait. Okay, go to your search web browser. Go to Chrome then. Okay, Chrome. Go to Chrome.
What, ma'am?
Okay.
Wait, I'm guiding Jewel. Wait, Shrivats, you just wait, huh? Open it up. Yes. Open ChatGPT. Try ChatGPT. Yes. Wait. Riha, you show me your screen. Okay, you keep this. Okay. Riha, you show me your screen. Not now. Later on, you'll log in. Okay. Stay logged out only. Okay. Riha, show me your screen.
Ma'am, I will share.
There is an option share in the Zoom
Yes.
Meet. Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Share button.
Ma'am, I clicked it, ma'am.
And I think, ma'am, because ma'am, I am sharing, ma'am, she cannot share.
No, multi-screen can be allowed. Okay, then you guys stop sharing. Actually, multi-screen can be shared.
No, ma'am, not that, ma'am. They're asking the apps.
I can't see your screen now. I cannot guide you. Wait, Jewel and Shrivat, stop sharing first. Let me guide her. Okay. In the Meet, first you open the share button. Okay. After that, it will have entire screen. Can you see entire screen? Click on the desktop and then open the entire screen.
Ma'am, I'm using another device.
You're using another device.
Ma'am, I'm using a tab.
Tab, you cannot share your screen.
Ma'am, I
You
can.
can share your screen. Tab, you can share your screen. In the Zoom Meet, there is an option share. Can you see the share button?
Yes, ma'am, I clicked on it, ma'am.
After that, there is an option, right? Share entire screen. Can you see it?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, that's
Chrome
screen.
tab, Windows, entire screen. What options are you getting there? Once you
Ma'am,
have
wait, ma'am, I
clicked on
got
share
Google. I
button,
got Google. Ma'am, I got Google. Ma'am, it's saying display out over the other apps.
What are you exactly getting once you clicked on the share button? Just tell me that. Else, then I can guide you.
Ma'am, they kept the heading as display over other apps.
Yes, click that one.
No, ma'am, it already came when I clicked. Ma'am, there's two shares. One is given in the bar, and then second is given in the options.
First one, what?
Ma'am, there are two types of shares. One is given in a bar, and one is given in the options.
Yes, first click the bar and then search for the option. Share the entire screen or choose over the device. Both can, just anyone if you're getting, then click on that. Share, yeah. Can you open your Google?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, open Google and then there you search ChatGPT. Okay, Shrivat, share your screen. Jewel and Riha follow. Okay. Riha, are you getting this one? This interface?
Wait, ma'am, Yes, ma'am, I'm getting the interface.
No,
Ma'am,
this ChatGPT.
ma'am, should I keep search with ChatGPT?
Yes. Open first. You open Google, then click ChatGPT, then click the first option, whatever it is, like OpenAI or ChatGPT. Both are same. Okay. OpenAI is the
Yes,
main actual company who has. Shivats, you just back. Open Google from her. Just guide her. Open Google. Proceed. See, have you searched ChatGPT like this, Riha?
yes, ma'am.
Then search. Shivat, search it. Yeah, OpenAI, ChatGPT, OpenAI. Okay, click that one. Here you will see start now or try now. Anything. Are you getting that one, Riha?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I directly got
Got it.
the
Open.
search.
Click the start now button.
No, ma'am, not that, ma'am. I got what can I help with
Okay,
that
great.
one.
Then you got it. Okay, start now. Click start now, Shivats. Okay. See, here we can give any prompt. Okay, any prompt. Right. Any question. You can say. Write down. What is Gaganyaan? What is Gaganyaan? Gaganyaan. YAN. Yes. Question mark. See here. See, even if you have done a wrong spelling, okay, what is Gaganyaan? See, the spelling is there is an error, but the AI understood what exactly you want to say. Correct. See, here you
Yes,
get
ma'am.
Gaganyaan is the first human space flight mission. You get all the information. See, scroll down little bit. See when it started, what is the size, what is the altitude, what is the timeline. See everything. Scroll down. See what technologies has been used. See how what is the significance. Everything. Go below. Now, see, it has also asked you one question. Would you like a summary of the astronauts selected? Say yes. Say just yes. You don't have to write also anything. See, it is searching the web. It is collecting information from all the sources in the internet. See, who all went to who were the astronauts who went to space? See, there were 4 Indian pilots, Vyonauts, Vyomanauts, huh?
And
Vyomanauts.
Subhanshu Shukla is from the first Indian to go to International Space Station.
Yes, yes, yes. He went to space, no? First Indian. Scroll down, scroll down. See, you can get all the information. Jewel and Riha, are you guys getting?
Yeah. Ma'am, for that, ma'am, they gave the crude capability, the development of timeline, why it matters, key technical milestones, and
Everything.
in
So, see, suppose these all things you don't need. You need small thing, okay? You can change your prompt. You can write, see, write what I'm saying. Give me, right, Shrivatz, give me,
And what?
give me the above. No, no, no. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, fine. So, see, he has written give me, okay? The chat GPT has understood, and then it has given lots of informations or data from where it has collected the sources. See, these are all sources. You can click the first one. Click the first one.
Yes.
ma'am,
See, these are Times of
they
India.
gave the
Yes, click
news
the one.
also.
News also. Click the first one. Not this. Yes. See, it will give the newspaper readings also. Scroll down a little bit. Yes. See. Riha and Jewel, are you getting?
Ma'am, I got like different.
What question you
Yes,
have
ma'am, I
written?
also got
Share your screen.
different news.
Share your screen, Jewel. Share your screen.
Ma'am, even I
See,
also got, ma'am, the second and third one the same.
yes, it you will get different things. Every time you will search, you will get different things. But then the information will be correct. Go ever. See, these are also newspaper headings only for the reading. It is suggesting you to read more. You go up, see. Go up, go up. Your answers also will be different, but the meaning will be same. See, current progress, technical updates, what parachute systems were used, everything. So I don't need these things, okay? This is too high level. So you can give prompt, write, Jewel, write the prompt. Give me the above information for class 4. You guys are in class 4, right? You all are in class 4?
No, ma'am.
So which class?
I'm class 5.
Okay. Give me the information for great, like, no, give the information above information for a grade 5 student. Search. See, now it is coming very easily. Now you guys can understand these things. The above
Yes.
information were high level, correct? Like what propulsion system, parachute system, these are all things will go above your head. But these things you can understand, right? See, the Vyomitra is there, which I told you. See, robot mission. Then you can copy Vyomitra. Go. Yeah. So you want this information in 5 lines. You can write, give me the above information in 5 lines. See, meet Vyomitra, lady robot. Give me the above information in 5 lines.
Mass toxic.
Yeah, you can. So any one of you can share, but list can follow. Okay. See. Can
Ma'am,
you
they
see?
also gave something else.
What it gave? See, only 5 lines you can get it. In that way, you can change your prompt. You can write, give me the picture. You'll get the picture also. Give me one picture or the picture, anything. See, it will give the pictures. See, you didn't like this picture. You want the picture of the spacecraft. Then you have to write the prompt. Give me
Ma'am, they already gave me the direct spacecraft picture.
she didn't get it. Okay. In that way, you have to modify your questions. Exactly how you'll give the question, it will give the answer. See, now I want the picture of the spacecraft. See, now you will get the spacecraft. See, it's giving. You can create your own image also. You write, I want you to create one image of spacecraft in, you can say, Jupiter. You can create also, see, in Jupiter. It will create your own image. See, now it is not searching the wave. Custom images. Acha, you didn't log in your GPT, right? Wait, I'll show you in my GPT. I have logged in. Wait, let's
Mine
wait.
is logged.
I
Acha,
also
you have
logged
logged in,
in,
na?
ma'am,
Shrivat,
so I got.
you got it, na? Okay, Shrivat, you share your screen then.
Ma'am, I got 4 pictures, ma'am. They actually look so nice.
So nice, na? You can create your own pictures also. Like you have your assignments or homeworks, you can use ChatGPT. Isn't it interesting?
Ma'am, I actually used it twice.
You have used it twice. Now you can use it almost every day. Every task you can use. You can write questions, you can create your images, you can, generate your pictures, you can get information. You can talk in ChatGPT also. You can talk also.
Yes, sometimes I
Um,
do talk starting.
have you watched any superhero movies like Captain America or Iron
No,
Man? Anything?
no, I don't like.
Huh?
I don't like.
I don't. You don't like. Nobody likes superheroes. Okay. Have you seen any panda flying?
No,
Okay. ChatGPT will generate for us. Write down. Create one images. Create one image of a panda flying. will take some time.
Ma'am, the pictures look so funny. And
Got
cute.
it. Joel, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what
Ma'am,
she
even
was.
gave the illustration of the panda soaring through the sky.
Yes, you can. You can create any image you want. You just have to give the prompt and it will create for you.
It is not coming.
It is taking time. Wait, it's loading. Let it load, then.
Ma'am, it's showing also how much time it load.
It will come. See. Oh, Shivat's panda is so cute. It has butterfly wings. What Jewel's panda is looking? Can you
Ma'am,
share?
it's still loading.
Shivat, stop sharing.
Ma'am, I got 4 pictures.
But you can't share, na? Try sharing
Ma'am,
once.
Ma'am, I can share it in the chat.
I got mine.
Yeah, share in the chat then. Let's see
Okay.
how Reel's
Ma'am, I'll just take a screenshot.
Oh, it's flying without wings, right? But still, it can fly. Kung Fu Panda. Watch that movie, Kung Fu Panda. It's very interesting.
Ma'am, picture.
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, I'll just I will go into the chat and see if I can share.
Yes, you can share. You have to take the screenshot and then share. I think, yeah.
Ma'am, there is some.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
click on the smiley picture. You can share, na? Pictures.
I can give pictures.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
first.
I'll show pictures, ma'am. It looks nice.
Okay. Isn't it interesting? See, this is how first you will try to use, and when you'll grow up now, you can actually make your own robots. You know, own chat GPTs like bots. Did you like today's class?
Yes.
Interesting, right? So I have one homework for you guys. Okay. So what you will do is you will create one funny photograph like this, and one story, new story. You will have your own story through ChatGPT, and you guys will show me in the next class. Okay.
So we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
a story using ChatGPT.
Yes, a story using ChatGPT. Any story, like it should be small, like you can say 5 to 10 lines only. No need to elaborate the story. Just a funny picture and one story through ChatGPT. Okay. Done. You'll get it. I'll get it the next class.